Hello friends, today we are going to discuss variables and types in Python. Variables are stored data in memory during execution of a program. In Python, you do not need to declare the data type explicitly. The type is determined based on the assigned values. Variable names are case sensitive and contains letter, number and underscore. But it should not be start with a number. I have already created a page variable.py and going to assign age is equal to 30. Here age is an integral type. To find this one, let us use print and type age. When I run this, it will tell me the type of this age. Here, the type of age, it is saying int. Now, the output, if I want this value, just I need to mention age in the print. It will tell me like this. It is integer type having value 30. In the same way, if I want to display a float value, let us comment this one and mention here it is int type. Okay. Now I'm going to display a value float. Okay. Let us take pi. The value of pi is 3.14. Okay. And here pi and here pi. Now when I execute this one, let us see the result. It says that it is a float type and value is 3.14. So at the runtime, it comes to know what is the type of the value and it assign it in that type only. Next, we can also save complex type data. Let us comment this one first. I'm just pasting here. We are discussing complex type. Okay. So for complex type is a number like 4 plus 5j. Okay. And let us say a, and here I am just checking the type of a, and here I am displaying its value. When I am run this one, it says that the value is of complex type and the value is 4 plus 5j. In this way we can display a complex value. Now next is string. To display a string value, let us clear all this. Here I am going to display a string value. For displaying a string value, we can put its value in a double quote. Okay, hello. And when I execute this one, it will tell me that this is of a string type. Str stand for string type, and hello its value. We can also give single quote like this, hello here. When I execute this one, it will give me hello here and it is of string type. We can also give three quotes. Okay? So when we give three quotes, it will display as it is as we want. Like if I want this one in second line having certain space in beginning, this is only possible with the three quotes. Let us execute this one. You can see it is displaying me as it is written here. Okay, so this is of string type. After string type, we have list. Okay, so let us modify this one. For displaying list, we just use this square brackets, and here I'm just going to display like apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. Okay? And when I execute this one, it will tell me that A is of type list, and the value of A is apple, mango, banana. Another data type is we have tuple. Okay, tuple we can in the same way we can write tuple also, but instead of using this curly square bracket, we can use this one bracket. Okay, so when I execute this one, it will tell me that it is of tuple. The only difference between a tuple and a list is a speed. It has tuple have much speed as compared to tuple, like saving and getting these speeds. So it is of tuple and having these values. Apart from tuple, we have another data type, dictionary, in which the values are stored in the form of we can say key value. Okay, let us modify this one. Okay, dictionary. For dictionary, we need to mention our values in a curly bracket. Here name. Okay, and in name, I'm going to put my name, comma, age. And in age, I'm going to put my age. Okay, so I want to check the type of data. It is showing dict, dict indicates dictionary. So this A is of dictionary type, having value name is equal to a class and age is equal to 30. Apart from dictionary, we have more data types like sets. Set is also defined in curly bracket itself, but only difference between set and dictionary is set is not having key value pairs. It is just like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 10 in this way. Okay, so if I'm going to check its type, it will tell me the set. Okay, it is of set type, and the values are 1 2 3 6 and 10. Apart from this set, we have boolean type also. Okay. In boolean type, we can say only two type of value, true, either true and false. Okay, let us check by running. It is saying of the class bool means A is of type boolean and the value is true. We will go deeper into this different type of variables as we progress through the tutorial. Thank you.